going to be a camera.
Okay.
Charlie. Andy.
This is Charlie talking to his sister. At 3 months, it's their birthday today. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ray!
Charlie's birthday. Charlie was just talking to Andy for a few minutes there. Right? What were you saying? What were you saying?
Oh, look at the smile.
You're blowing
Look
bubbles?
at the smile.
Yeah. Oh. This is the first time Charlie's really talked to Andy in front of us anyways. Maybe at night they talk, but we've never seen him see her before. Yeah, that's a baby. That's your sister.
She says, I'm not the baby. He's the baby. I'm the older one. I am the eldest. I am his oldest sister.
It's a pretty lady, isn't it, Charlie?
She got a pretty outfit on.
Yes.
And you got your shorts, your summer dudes on. Okay, duds on, I should say.
And we're in Florida, here in Fort Myers, with Nana and Papa.
And she's got the over-shoulder look.
Daddy.
We're getting eaten.
Hey, hi. Yeah, hi. Oh, can't pick up.
Wave to the camera. Wave.
Say hello. It's my birthday.
Hi.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to us.
Happy birthday to Charlie and Andy. Happy birthday to us.
Yeah.
Right? Was
Isn't
it
it
fun?
good? What is Daddy doing? What is Daddy doing?